Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online classes. This is Chaman Singh and today we will read Civics chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Key Elements of a Democratic Government. So let's start the topic. In this chapter you will read about some of the key elements that influence the working of a democratic government. These include people's participation, the resolution of conflict and equality and justice. Now, the difficult meaning of resolution. The meaning of resolution is the quality of being firm and determined. अर्थात किसी चीज़ के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प होना या प्रतिबद्ध होना. द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज अ फाइट और एन आर्ग्यूमेंट. इसको हिंदी में विवाद, संघर्ष या झगड़ा भी कहते हैं. साउथ अफ्रीका इज ए कंट्री दैट हैज़ पीपल ऑफ सेवरल रेसेस. द मीनिंग ऑफ रेसेस इज डिवाइडिंग ह्यूमन स्पीसीज इनटू पार्टिकुलर ग्रुप्स. इसको हिंदी में नस्ल या वर्ग कहते हैं. देयर आर ब्लैक पीपल हु बिलोंग to South Africa, white who came there to settle, and Indians who came as laborers and traders. Maya Naidu, an 11 years old South African girl living in the town of Johannesburg, Johannesburg is the name of a place, was helping her mother clear up her old boxes. She found a scrapbook. The meaning of scrapbook is a large book with empty colorful pages that you can stick pictures, newspapers, articles, etc. in it. Full of pictures and newspapers articles. There were many pictures of a young school boy of around 15 years of age. When she asked her mother who the boy was, she was told that he was called Hector Peterson. He had been shot by the police. Maya was shocked. Why? She asked. Her mother explained that South Africa was earlier governed by apartheid laws. The meaning of apartheid is divide people on the basis of color and race. इसको हिंदी में रंग भेद कहते हैं. अर्थात लोगों को रंग के आधार पे या उनके नस्ल के आधार पर आपस में अलग अलग कर देना या बांट देना. Apartheid means separation on the basis of race. South Africa people were divided into white, black, Indians and colored races. According to the law, these races were not allowed to mingle. The meaning of mingle is to mix with other things or people. अर्थात किसी चीज़ से या लोगों का आपस में मिलना जुलना. With each other, to live near each other or even to use common facilities. Maya could not believe her ears. Maya's mother sounded angry when she spoke about life under apartheid. She told Maya that in those days hospitals were separate and so were ambulances. An ambulance meant for white people would always be well equipped. The meaning of equipped is to prepare something for somebody. अर्थात किसी चीज़ को किसी व्यक्ति के लिए सुसज्जित करना या उसको सही ढंग में रखना. While one meant for black people was not, there were separate trains and buses. Even the bus stop were different for black and white people. Non-whites were not allowed to vote. The best land in the country was reserved for the white people and non-whites had to live on the worst available land. Thus, blacks and colored people were not considered to be equal to whites. One black township was the southwestern township Soweto. Hector Peterson lived here and he and his classmates joined the protest against learning the Afrikaans language in the school. The meaning of protest is oppose. इसको हिंदी में विरोध करना कहते हैं, किसी का विरोध करना. This was the language that the whites spoke. Hector and other school students were being forced to learn this language, but they wanted to learn their own language, Zulu. The South African police beat up the protesters mercilessly. The meaning of mercilessly is pitilessly, अर्थात दयाहीनता या क्रूरतापूर्वक, अर्थात किसी को बुरी तरह से मारना या प्रताड़ित करना. एंड शॉट एट द क्राउड. वन ऑफ देयर बुलेट्स किल्ड हेक्टर. दिस वाज ऑन 16 June 1976. The African National Congress, a group of people who led the struggle against apartheid, and their most well-known leader Nelson Mandela fought the apartheid system for several years. Finally, they succeeded, and in 1994, South Africa became a democratic country in which people of all races were considered equal. The meaning of considered is to think about something carefully, often before making a decision. अर्थात निर्णय लेने के पहले सावधानी से किसी चीज़ के बारे में विचार करना. What were Hector and his classmates protesting about? List 5 ways in which the non-whites were discriminated against. Do you think it is important for all persons to be treated equally? Why? Let us now try to understand what a democratic government means to all of us. So student, it is enough for today. Now I hope you have listened properly and also listen the difficult word meanings. So till stay safe, stay happy, good luck, all the best.